Welcome to this video on what's new for GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code 1.114. Follow me along as I demo the new features. Enjoy! In the previous version 1.113, the image carousel was introduced. It has now been enhanced with video support, so the easiest way to show you is to right-click this video here and then choose Open in Images Preview. As you can see, you get a video player. It takes a little while to load because this is a bigger video. But yeah, here you can play the video, you can preview it. And the same image carousel is available from GitHub Copilot chat, but this is the easiest way to show it. As you might know, the output of chat is Markdown. And sometimes it's very convenient to copy this Markdown. So if I would create a new Markdown file here in the root of my project, call it test.md, and then I would copy from this conversation I had, choose copy and then paste, you can see that it actually copies Markdown. But the thing is, in this case, we had some thinking going along, and that that adds also to what is being copied. And sometimes you only want the final result of your chat. So if I remove this, I can right-click my response and copy final response, and it would only copy the final result. So yeah, that's an improvement. If you like this, the final result, to put that, for example, in your GitHub issue or your Jira issue or your Azure DevOps work item as a result, or in your PR, then this helps a lot. Troubleshooting agent sessions was introduced in Visual Studio Code 1.112. What you could do and can do is /troubleshoot and then ask a question on the session. What they now introduced is the hash session variable that allows you to troubleshoot a session from a previous session from your history. So to be able to show that, I have had a session a while ago to add the engine sound property to the plane model. I was expecting it to pick up on a skill. That skill was intentionally misnamed. As you can see, I named it add poverty to have a little bit of fun here. And inside of the skill, I used poverty as well instead of property. So because of this, probably it wouldn't pick it up, although the models that are better at thinking, they do pick this up, even though there is this typo in the name. But okay, so let's see if we can make this work. I had some small troubles preparing this demo, as well, one model does a better job than the other one. So I prepared a prompt here, /troubleshoot, why didn't you use that poverty skill in, and then you can name the session. Let me do that again so you can see what happens. So hash session, and then tab, and then you get to see all of the sessions. And then I choose the adding engine sound property to the plane model. So that's my session. And what it then does, you will see that, is it will call another skill. So troubleshoot is actually a skill, it's reading it here, and it contains some instructions. So the first thing what it will do is review the logs. And I'm going to click allow a few times. You will see that it will take a little while. The logs are the logs that you can access through the dots here, and then show agent debug logs. I covered that in one of my previous videos. And what Copilot is now trying to do is to retrieve those logs. And it seems that the instructions of the troubleshoot skill are not that good yet, as it has quite some issues reading or getting those logs. And it depends a little bit on the model. I tried it using Claude Sonnet 4.6, and it had some trouble with that. Now GPT 5.4. It was a little bit better. So again, experiment a little bit with the models you're using. So in the end, it finds out. So it sees, okay, we have poverty here, it needs to be property. Well, there's an entire story here. But bottom line is that you can refer to previous sessions. So again, hash session tab, and then choose one of your sessions. Tab again to select, and it's inside of your context now.